All right, so let's say here we have this line, and now I would like to bend this line. Okay, so what you can do is to, if you actually click on, and now if I go here and I just right click, so right click on this, and if you have this select pen tool, please click on, you click on anchor point tool. Now click on this. If you move your cursor right in the middle and you grab, now you can bend this line, and you create this line with this, with the line segment. You hold shift so you can lock this, and with the anchor point tool you can bend now, and if you hold shift this will lock in, which will give you a really nice shape, as you can see. And I click here, now hold alt, and now I can arrange, select, if you right click on that as well. So that's a great method. You can also, let's say you have this this shape, you have this shape, you are now you like to bend this or to just create a different shape. Now, and I'm going to show you later on how to remove some of the anchor points. So first, what you can do, if you select, let's say, this anchor point, hold shift, select this, the other anchor point, press S, and now we can just change the shape. And now is only changing, expanding this path we selected, but make sure you press S. That's very helpful and helped me a lot. And now if you want to delete some anchor points, I can click on this and now I can see some of the anchor points. You select one anchor point, you click on direct selection, and you click on this remove selected anchor point. Now you just remove an anchor point, and you remove some anchor points. Now, a thing that you can do is you can also select group selection and go back to, you can also go to carvers, and here you can see some anchor points, but you see this plus and you can add some anchor points. And now you can of course play with these anchor points. You can go back to direct selection, you can see your anchor points. If you select one, you have this minus, and from there you also can go with pen tool. Now if you want to select, create a selection, but with this you can also remove. So if I select this, now if I hover over the anchor point, I can delete anchor points fast if I just hover over one anchor point, and you should see this minus icon. You click on it, it will remove. Make sure you see the difference, because this is the curvature, and this one is the pen. So yeah, both are very helpful, but just have to know. As you can see, create paths with precision using anchor points and handles. And the other one is create and edit curved and straight lines easily, right? So just so you know. And